Number 2 from section 4.3 is also a percentage mixture problem. So it's similar to number 1. A jeweler needs to mix an alloy with a 16% gold content and an alloy with a 28% gold content to obtain 32 ounces of a new alloy with a 25% gold content. How many ounces of each of the original alloys must be used? So 16%, 28%, 32 ounces, 25%, and our last sentence tells us that we need to define those as our variables. So I'm going to let X be the ounces of the 16% gold, and I'm going to let Y be the ounces of the 28% gold. I mean, if you wanted to let Y be the 16% and X be the 28%, you could. You would get the same answer. Your numbers would just be reversed, but as long as you label your answer, then it would be the same. So my two equations, I want to have a ounce equation and I want to have a percentage times an ounce equation. So my ounce equation, X is the amount of the 16%, Y is the amount of the 28%. I do not know how much of each I have, but I do know that if I add them together, that they have to be equal to 32 ounces, because they say in the end they want 32 ounces. Okay, the percentage times the ounce. X is the 16% one, so I want to multiply 0.16 by X. Y is the 28% one, so I want to multiply Y by 0.28. And then for the final one, they're trying to get a mixture of 25%. But I can't just put 25 or 0.25 here, because I'm multiplying here the percent times X. X was the amount. 0.28 times Y. Y was the amount. So here, this percentage, I need to multiply that by 32, because that's the total amount in the end that we have, where we want the 25% of. So that is going to be equal to 8. Again, that's a very easy step to miss. Okay, so that is our equations. So if I just rewrite that, now I need to solve, and you can choose to solve by graphing or by substitution. I'm going to solve by the elimination method. So to get rid of my x's, I need to have a negative 0.16 in front of this x. So I need to multiply by negative 0.16. That's going to give me negative 0.16x minus 0.16y is equal to negative 5.12. And the second equation, I'm not changing that at all. So now when I add these up vertically, my x's go away. My y's become 0.12y, and that's equal to 2.88. So if I divide both sides by 0.12, then y is going to be equal to 24. So 24 ounces of 28% gold. And then if I just plug that into this original one over here, then x plus 24 is equal to 32. And if you subtract 24 from both sides, then you get 8. So this will be 8 ounces of 16% gold. So those are my two answers. Again, make sure that you label them as ounces of the correct percentage gold.